installed a deck into my Jon Boat. Should have videoed when I was building it, but I really didn't think about it. So, but anyway, this is kind of what it looks like. Might help somebody or give somebody an idea on how to do theirs. First, I put floor in my boat. It's self-explanatory. It's just a cut-out piece of plywood, and I painted that. I could have put a carpet on, but I painted it because the carpet usually goes bad quick, especially when the floors get wet and stuff. And then I put a floor up here too. That helps support the deck tremendously. I think that if you're going to do a deck, you should definitely put a floor in there first. That helps. And I made this deck. It's actually removable. You can see me picking it up. So you can take it out. So if you want to take it out and fish without it, if you're pan fishing or something, you get up under here and you can see some of the way it's built. There's a bunch of ways you can do this. I'm no carpenter. I just got out here one day and started measuring and figured out how I wanted to do to make it removable, and that's the way I did it. So I'm sure there's better ways or whatever, but put a hatch in there so we can store some tackle and get to some batteries and wires if we needed to. So that's the way it is, and I think it's going to work good. Thanks for watching.